Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, say make Buhari and Osinbajo resign. He say we don keep quiet reach. Make I leave you make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Make you for know the reason why he want make Osinbajo and Buhari resign. Enjoy the video.
My brothers and sisters, on a good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on the location where for the watch this broadcast from. Another day does still reach, the day where God create with His hand, and awaiting God talk, now they reach. I appreciate all of you when they follow this broadcast. Talk am as it be. We go continue to the talk am as it be. And the white man.
Change my name. I Steve Victor Olise.
My brother, you try me change that name because I don't understand. How Olise? I've been at the Olise where they play football. I've been at which one?
No.
You did related to them?
The one when they play football can't borrow the name.
Yeah.
And we borrow use.
Okay.
We don't collect them back.
Okay. My people, this evening, one put mouth for one matter. We don't keep quiet rich. We don't keep quiet rich for Nigeria. We go continue to talk because me I go to shake some table this evening because we don't keep quiet rich. My brother, when we say we don't keep quiet rich, waiting we use and tell me.
All right. As soon as I know, say with the digital age where we say anything when they happen for inside hole, for anywhere, before una open eye look close, the world don't already hear and they don't also see wetin happen. And the one when the matter when shock us when we say we can't look say now who we offend for this country abi we know they talk, and if we dey talk who dey hear us, and if they dey hear us who dey pinch each other to act. How una go imagine say for a country of over 200 million people, some people the bubu government don change their name from terrorists, e change am to Boko Haram. For Boko Haram they don dey call am bandits.
I'm bandits.
They don dey call them bandits. How una go say people enter community dey kill almost 43 people,
My brother, that one are fake news.
and una know say if government fit come out open mouth say they kill 43 people,
You know, say they keep 500.
that means say you times
500.
times 10.
500.
Government come out say they kill 43 people. Una can't know wetin one person when they call Garba Shehu for government open him mouth talk. He say the rice farmers when they kill, he say they don't take order from
Clearance.
they don't take clearance from Nigerian military men. I don't understand. Before they go farm, they don't take clearance
For their own farm.
to go their own farm.
For this country.
As such, as they kill them, so now then die in their own ignorance.
They say they ain't good, say they kill them. Say they hear there like foul. Say that they know.
Person for our own government
The country they never kill the Peking.
come out, open him mouth, talk. Say those rice farmers, when we dey shout of all they shout, everybody go to farm. Oh yeah, stop importation of rice. Oh yeah, maybe we dey stop foreign rice. Maybe we dey produce our own rice. Now people carry am for head say that they go farm
Now they kill them.
to go produce rice.
Bubu say who send them?
Na him bandits go.
Boko Haram be bandits. Terrorists.
Federal government say they be bandits.
They be terrorists.
Okay.
Talk about to be terrorists.
We never understand the meaning of the bandits, the meaning of the terrorists, and the meaning of the Boko Haram.
Boko Haram.
But the news airline say
Sponsor, no be bandit.
Okay.
Make una stop am. Una way they call am bandit, God go punish una. Make una stop to they call them bandit. They are Boko Haram.
Okay.
Sponsored by Bubu.
So, like I supposed to talk Boko Haram, they come out, they slain 43 people, cut their head.
The young kid, they say nothing they happen.
Because our own government can't get the mind.
Say nothing they happen. Say we not get level.
Come out, can't tell us.
Say we not get level. More go to hell.
Those farmers say they no collect clearance from military. Mona no forget. Say this same government don't come out many times. Don't tell us. Say now so the federal government don't conquer.
They say that defeat Boko Haram.
We have defeated.
In fact, we waste. In fact, let me tell you, any news coming from the north about Boko Haram is fake. Why? Because they have been defeated by Bubu. See, at the turn, so any news about killing Boko Haram, it is fake. Do you know why? They have been defeated by Oga Bubu. Bubu had defeated Boko Haram. So please, Benwe's governor, Yobe, I go beg una. Make una not complain again.
Because when Bubu come out, say they don't defeat them. Una not touching a lie.
Una not touching a lie.
Yeah.
So we concur to that declaration. In fact, as I'm talking to you now, the northern state is the safest place to live on earth. Go there and do your business. Go and marry, no problem. The north is you can do business in the north now. So any news coming from the north is fake news. In fact, the social media control the north. We need to pass B to scrap the social media. So Facebook, Twitter, handle. We want to scrap, we want to disband them now because news coming from the north is fake.
But I know why I will settle down and support Apostle. What is matter when you talk to? The reason why I will settle down and support Apostle. Now because say, when all these things start, when all of us join mouth from the south, from the west, say waiting they happen for the north, so say you know they okay. Some of our brothers and sisters for north, they carry am for head. Say they want to protect their brothers when they government.
They say their brother. They say if good luck declare them a terrorist. Yes. They go deal with good luck. Yeah. They begin to train monster. The monster then they swallow them and they complain. I use God beg una. More not using a wahala take disturb us. The problem for the start don't reach. Anything more you did there. We don't want hear news. I use God beg una. Make una you did there. Make una you enjoy the food una you cook. More you the shop am.
You are the
fake news.
You are the chief security officer. So as I talk to go, that you are the chief security officer.
Wow. You do not have an active data plan. I'm not getting subscription again. But I talk if you go reach.
Okay. As I talk to go, that you are the chief security officer of that state. How you can come out? Come they tell us say right now as we speak, say you can no longer have access to control your own state. And you know say that state, you suppose get the full map of that state, number one. Number two, you have the security architecture of that state. Number two, you must have the security architecture of that state. Number three, you know if you come out, come tell us say you don't know the secret of Boko Haram when they Borno State. You cannot tell us that. You can imagine the insult when you, as the governor of Borno State, receive few months ago, when you dey drive they go, when Boko Haram catch all of una inside bush. You understand? So what we are saying is, we don't do too dey talk for this country. Upon as we dey talk, they know they hear us. This matter na very big concern for all of us. Why? Because all this is what we dey hear on a daily basis. You can imagine, say as we dey speak right now, our national stadium for Abuja, they need 81 million naira to clear national stadium. Now, people can come out, they ask the minister for youth and sport, say how do you mean say we need 81 million to clear the stadium?
See my brother, he said we forget, say I don't come Emeka, he said you forgot our brothers and sisters from the south are victims of these herdsmen bandits, and you are speaking they are already waiting.
As we speak, they are already infiltrating the south. You are very right, they are infiltrating the south. Why? Because our leaders in the south,
then they sleep.
They have failed to do what? To ensure that they place a barricade between the south and the north. That's the truth. So, as they enter south, so may they enter. So all of us will go face. All of us inside Nigeria.
They're not rich here with you.
All of us.
They know where they will go.
So all of us go face them by ourselves. Why? Because when we come out to condemn what they happen for the north, our same brothers and sisters when they north,
the same
will shut up our mouth.
Say we not get level. Say
we want to scatter their brother and sister administration.
Brother, you know why it be like this now? Go check the street now. All of them they beg money. They watch windscreen. They train future terrorists, future armed bandits. Our governor, all these outside governors, I know wake up from their sleep now. They don't release future terrorists, enter on our state now, in the name of begging, in the name of cleaning wiper for motor. They dead street now, future terrorists. I know we do something now. Talk as it be. When they talk now, I know would be like people know the hear word. Anything they open our ear, I slap on our ear, make them the hear word.
Amen. So, very quickly, we go like to the radio our brothers and sisters when they not. if una dey sleep, Mona
Bro, make them sleep. It concern you.
Mona open one eye, close one.
Make them sleep. When good luck, they defeat them. Now, you know what I mean at the first now? PDP, PDP, Papa DP Pikin, una not get level. Una not get level. When good luck, una dead there. Bubu was the ringleader. Today Bakare, which other man again? Professor Wole Soyinka, Tilo Melaye, Chief Tinubu, which in get Lagos, Chief Tinubu, which in get Lagos. Then that short devil, Shomole, all of them say they want fight good luck. They say good luck. All now, the same people now they fight now. PDP, all of una be bunch of disgrace. Una not fit come out now to protest against the people who protest against una. In fact, all of una be disappointment. Una the yes so. All of una.
Oga Emeka, kidnapping on our highways in the south is on the high side. Very true. Travelers' life at risk in the south because of Fulani herdsmen. What we go do? When we say we no more understand, say you get when they call history. As a people, we suppose don't grow rich to understand the trends of which not they happen for our country. In the history of this country, for people when they rule us as presidency from the north, majority of them, about 90% of them, has been Fulanis. And as we speak right now, they don't already enter our country. You know, not to say as we dey talk, so we don't now they go they import fuel from Niger. So we dey go Niger. We dey go Niger, go they import fuel.
My brother, come make me first for you this evening. Come. I just dey cool myself now. No, just leave that one. Just leave Niger first.
Me no be APC, me no be PDP.
Cause just at the first for all the PDP people, now all of una be a bunch of disgrace.
Apart from APC and PDP, nobody PDP.
See, all of una, whether you be APC, you be PDP. When PDP dey APC, they were protesting against good luck. Every led by Grandpa Bubu and his entourage. Monkey, the owner of the monkey, the owner of the snake, na turn go fire una. Until that monkey and the snake vomit the money, una no go get peace. This country, we go share am for una head. We go share, una head go soon clear.
Una don't make a post to verse this evening.
Una go soon, una go share.
In fact, we know they safe for our country. We know if you bend mouth talk am.
My brother,
President Mubu, you must resign.
President Bubu resign.
You know get what you know.
Resign. You are incompetent. You don't get level. Resign.
You don't get what you want to tell. You must resign.
Resign.
Why? Because you know if you tell us say under your watch.
People they die like chicken and keep quiet.
Under your watch.
You know why don't they talk? Because you know the cow they kilo. Me they kill one cow. Your certain army go full everywhere. The police go they look for the one arrest.
Also, I want to draw the attention of Apostle IGP. Because not my IGP, Inspector General of Police. Now, Apostle.
My brother, come. See, give me my record. I will give you record this evening.
The Inspector General of Police, you open your mouth, say you will not allow the second wave of protest.
It's very stupid.
I challenge you.
Yeah, I challenge you. You don't get level. You don't feel stop that protest. You don't get level.
I challenge you.
You don't get level.
I challenge you. Go out, may you go stop bandits.
Go and stop bandits. Not be bandit. Boko Haram the key now. You are here say you want to allow peaceful protest. IGP of police. Oga, make I tell you, an angry and hungry man is an angry man. You say you know we allow peaceful protest or we allow protest for this country, Oga, now lie you talk.
Big lie.
You lie.
When we ready, we'll come for you.
When we are ready, you will not say we ready.
You don't get what you do.
You don't figure anything. Go to Borno State.
Go
and stop Boko Haram.
No send squad. Go you lead them.
You lead the squad.
You
now you are saying you want to stop peaceful protest. Una they sick.
You want to stop.
Una they sick. Una need psychiatric test. All of una. They need to carry una go psychiatric. Una go share. You want to cover all of una.
You want to stop protest of people when no carry anything. When no carry gun.
People wey carry gun and not stop them.
People, your men. They kidnap them with their gun.
You know we talk. You are saying you will never allow peaceful protest in Nigeria again. Oga Utoge. IGP police, you lie.
They kidnap your men with
guns. You know if you go see Borno now, they keep farmer now, they keep people now. You not do anything. You are here, you are making noise now. Or administrative police.
So this is not the small message when I say make I drop give IGP. I don't see you they put for news. Say now so you will not allow the second wave of protest. Oga,
You dey sick.
I challenge you. You not send anybody go. Lead the squad.
To Boko Haram.
Lead them.
Go to go.
If you lead them, you arrest Boko Haram. We'll clap for you.
We'll clap for you.
We'll drop our
protest
protest
again.
But say you don't think you want to sit down for Abuja. The people when you want order come out as your policemen, they be our papa. And our mothers, na their wife. Let them come out and kill their children and their wife on the street, protesting for their rights, demanding for a new nation. And then you will now see what will happen when the bloods of Nigerians touches the ground. I challenge you, IGP, Inspector General of Police, lead the squad to Boko Haram and go and rescue terrorism from Nigeria.
My brother, I'm not sure say IDP, I'm not sure say Inspector General of Police is in this country. I'm not sure.
I will not allow second wave of protest.
I'm not sure say you did that in this country. For this country, they kill our people. They kill 40 people. Then that stupid, what do they call the man? We're going to be Gamba Shehu. Gamba Shehu, that stupid man. You want to take time, make una take time. That stupid Gamba Shehu, you say they don't take permission from the Nigerian army. Una dey craze, una dey craze. All these Buhari people, all of them dey craze, una dey craze.
I even see for the headline again yesterday night when Governor Zulum, he said we need mercenaries to defeat insecurity in Nigeria. Now I ask and say, Oga, what do you mean by we need mercenaries? Which mercenaries again? We need. Nobody una say CNN. Information na part of mercenaries. Nobody una say waiting CNN release.
Say na fake.
Against the Lekki massacre. Say na fake. Which una wan go hire American soldier to come help una defeat Boko Haram when they say Borno State.
You know, wait, my brother. You know that this country where America call rescue one of their citizens.
One.
Una on the shame.
They kill 6 people for Nigeria.
All of una on the shame.
They kill 6 people.
I dey call for una. As I dey first, I go wash my face. I dey call for una.
So as we dey talk this matter na strong matter for us. Why? Because we no longer dey safe for our country. As you dey waka, dey go from one place to another, you go dey look your back more than many times because you no know wetin fit happen within a twinkle of an eye. Oga Governor Stephen, Muslim no suppose rule that country because death or because we be people when they promote nationalism and we dey say we no wan make religion continue to dey divide us. This na why we dey say either you be Muslim or you be Christian or you be herbalist or you be atheist, e no concern na im we dey say okay fine, na im go lead us. But part of the study when we don already hear dey very poor for when we dey this evening.
Did you break again?
Yes, it's breaking. Seriously breaking.
Network is breaking. That boo boo.
So as I dey talk,
I dey wash face for una. Common network, we no dey fit branch. Nothing. Una lock border for south. Make we dey suffer and someone kill una. Una open north. Make una dey chop for rice. Na that for una carry foreign sickness. Make I tell una. As una dey make me dey vex this evening. All these our leaders, President Buhari resign. All the ministers they should resign. All of them they should resign.
Service chiefs,
all the service chiefs resign. You get as useless. You get are not useful. You get are useless. All of you useless. Resign. They are killing our people every day. You are coming out to tell us a country that does not have value for human life, but yet people have value for cow. Now cow go cow now. We dey come for all of una. This is my reference. I'm not using mask.
So this is a very strong matter for us to pull mouth, add mouth, join mouth. More importantly, we appreciate when help us share this video. Why? Because as we speak right now, like I talked initially, Nigeria is no longer safe for anybody. In short, for even one animal, Nigeria is no longer safe. You cannot travel a distance of 30 minutes as we speak right now in Nigeria. Go ask anybody. All over the country, you cannot travel a distance of 30 minutes. If you dare am, just know say everybody go dey look side, they look back, they look front. Why? Because before you know, men don come out from bush with guns. When I mean gun, I mean sophisticated weapon. AK-47, no be cut to side, that way they call am. I mean, AK-47. Where those people they get them from?
Now, Buhari, see,
Where?
now people they give them those guns. Now
Where
people
would they get that from?
Now, people-
So you go imagine herdsman, person wey dey rear cow, he go carry AK-47. How you take dey get am? So the Nigerian government go tell us say they no fit trace that kind of thing. They no fit trace the bullet. Where that AK-47 now? Where that bullet dey come from? They no fit trace am. And we kill ourselves, our country, when our own government order soldier make they go keep people for Lekki toll gate. Another person went dey USA. They trace how the thing dey happen. Is this not a big shame to our government? And then you know one person will come out for government, they talk from say and they are trying their best. Which kind of dirty best? The president should resign.
Now,
As a matter
brother,
of fact,
Buhari should resign.
the vice president, all of them,
Vice President, all of you should resign. You
You are
get
clueless.
worthless. You get are worthless. Worthless. Make I tell you now. This country belongs to everybody. They kill our people every day. Where are the senators? Where are the House of Assembly members? Una to the pass B. They buy jeep, we go jeep, una go and leave grave. What a useless set of people. Make we tell una. Make all of una take time. Make una take time. Buhari resign. Osibajo resign. All the service chiefs resign. Make we no see nobody they control this country again. If na cow now, una don't mobilize, mopo, oh yeah, go and keep people that kill our cow. Now Tona go fire all the evil leader. Make una hear so. All the evil leader for this country. Now Tona go fire una. All the people who are the key, now they go kill una children. After they benefit from the killings of Nigeria, now people go benefit on the own therefore. Now go share.
So myself go out my join Apostle this evening. President Bubu,
Resign.
you don't get
resign.
what you want to tell
You
us.
not get level. Buhari, you not get
you
level.
have to resign.
You not get you want tell us. Resign. Women in water.
We are tired of your
We are
government.
tired. Go. Buhari, go. Resign.
You have told us that you are clueless on how to lead this nation.
Make I tell you, dead body not the fear coffee. Dead body not the fear coffee. People like us now, we no go fit die because
Yes,
no
now.
fit kill us.
At all.
Odeshi, why baby women? Una go cry. Just as those innocent people they cry, their blood will they cry against una. In the day, in the noon, in the night, they will they cry against una. And the thing where they block una ear, I slap una ear, it wa make una the hear word. What a useless set of people.
So we'll come drag the matter, come Edo State. We'll come use the rope tie our governor for leg.
No, leave governor for hey, leave go. You want start again?
No.
Leave Obaseki out of this matter.
No.
My brother, no. I won't take this from you.
Apostle, no.
I
I cannot leave him.
I would. My brother,
Obaseki is the chief
My
security
brother-
officer of Edo
my
State.
brother, come. Leave Obaseki out of this matter.
No, I can't leave him. Oh.
Wait. Come. I first warned you yesterday. I can give you that card now. Please.
Okay, why you say my leave him?
Because this matter they talk and now Obaseki they same people when I go to keep for Bono.
No, I don't say na wetin happen for Bonu concern.
Leave.
I say we wan drag the matter enter Edo State. So
No, my brother.
no.
Wait your best.
The country.
This boy
No,
take
Apostle,
time.
no. Apostle, the country in its entirety is not safe for Nigerians, including Edo State.
Edo State is safe.
No.
I stand to be corrected.
No.
Edo State is safe.
No, Apostle, no. Now you say more with the talker as he be.
My brother, Edo State is safe now. Hey, I got weakness. Oh yeah, people for you. Edo State is safe.
I know.
Yes, Edo State is safe.
Okay, now yes,
No,
so
no. Now yes.
for where now? So we must talk as he be.
My brother,
Uh,
this country,
we want drag.
everywhere, we need change.
Yeah.
We need change.
We want drag. Use the rope to tie our governor for leg, Governor Obaseki. Yes. You have tried your best, even when the
Oh, I beg, give my governor 3 busa.
na very low gbosa.
Hey, no.
Gbosa.
I don't need low
You know-
busa. My brother, get up.
All right.
Get up. Leave it. See, I am not taking nothing from anybody. You should just leave this studio. Shh. Give governor 10 busa, 3 busa. You know what? Come on, take time. Oh.
All right. So as a matter of fact, that strategy when governor put in place, he try.
He work.
I will give am 40/100.
Do not try. You are not a good friend.
No, sir. I will give am 40/100.
No.
Eh.
No. If you want to rate the governor
No,
What you don't do?
for this security matter when you do so.
Yeah, give us 70%.
No, Apostle. It gets so many. Me and you never visit police station. More go ask cases when they happen on a daily basis.
Police station not there again, huh? You forget the police station never open.
Not true. They fear. They never open.
They never open.
But if we visit certain place to go do our own research, survey, we'll still realize say people still they go through a whole lot of insecurity challenges such as theft. You understand? So we'll say for this December time, sir, please, if there's any way you can help us beef up the security agency, especially community policing, I beg, especially community, because to be honest, our Nigerian police never see what do they call it, resume duty effectively the way they used to do it before now. So we go come say make you help us beef up community policing. Na those ones na we believe say they understand the voice of the people. They understand the voice of the people. So we go appreciate if you fit help us beef up community policing, because we know say as everywhere tight so for this December when we say everywhere tight, people when they hungry they wan find food by all means, and as such e go cause high rate of insecurity. So we dey say make we appeal to our governor, sir, that strategy when you use during during the courtesan matter, abeg help us beef up that strategy well well. Make this thing community policing make dem fit come out fully, make dem fit help us secure ourselves, make other states dey learn from Edo State, because Apostle talk yesterday say Edo State, as we all know, is the heartbeat of the nation. And Edo State na the center of Nigeria, truly speaking, especially that ring road. Na the center of Nigeria. We don already take the map, and we go expect say make Edo State dey lead in everything. Yes, okay, Oga Terry Obateki is trying, sha. I like that, sha.
No be sha. Terry, you used to be my friend.
I like that, sha.
Terry,
yes, he dey try.
You used to be my friend. Remove that sha.
Yeah, he dey try.
Just say Obaseki, yes, he's trying. Remove sha.
But I think say I support that, sha.
Oh God.
No, Apostle, not the true.
No.
Apostle, see.
Bros, remove sha. What you dey talk?
Apostle, see, for me,
For you.
I know say waiting good, you no need publicity. Well,
oh God. Obaseki dey do publicity. Not be we dey do the publicity.
We dey say when the security matter for Edo State,
He don't improve small now.
He don't improve small. We said
that. Try.
Now he say he's
no,
trying.
No, remove sha. Remove sha. Tell me
okay,
remove sha.
Remove sha. Apostle may remove the sha.
Remove sha.
But me I will say may you leave am.
Okay, live vote.
Okay.
Live vote.
Now then go vote. Don't people go
vote. All those that say sha should carry. If you say remove, if you say leave sha, say remove.
Aye.
If you say aye, if you say remove, say nay.
Nil. Okay, we will see now. They will still vote.
Nay, carry the vote.
All right. So, the insecurity matter for our country. Na the border house.
Buhari resign.
Na in the border
house. All
house.
the chief una resign. Una wagbokwe F9. Wagbokwe. Oh, when I remember Nigeria.
Water run away my eyes, oh aye. Water run away my eyes.
She make I tell you now, this protest una dey avoid it go happen for na kitchen o.
The part two.
The part two go happen for na kitchen. Now I go clear. Una never say anything. E dey pay me say our government, federal government.
Okay, Jonathan, I see you. All right. One.
Bros, be careful.
Be careful. Continue.
That shall not supposed to be there.
Okay, oh! 1-1.
I am leading. hey.
Okay.
Good. Terry have joined
2-2.
No, now. What is
2-2.
that?
2-2. Wait,
I don't forget how to talk just now.
Now, they vote.
Because don't distract
3-2.
3-2.
3-2.
No.
This share suppose dey. He dey try, oh. He dey try, but he need to work hard.
You guys are not being fair to my governor.
I dey see una.
No. You guys are not being fair to my governor.
It's not being fair. They are fair. The point here is he need to work harder.
Okay,
that's the point.
Okay. Governor, they say you dey try, sha. According to one of my brother, they say they try, sha. But me no say you dey try. Those always say they dey try, sha. I not join them, but my own be say you dey try, but try more so that make the sha come out.
Me Obaseki to no forget say this program I dey call talk am as e be. We dey talk am.
We dey talk about time no here. Why did we my?
We dey talk am the way e be.
We
So
dey talk am as e be.
so if na sha, we put the sha.
If no be sha, we go remove
We'll comot am.
The truth be say, the second wave of this protest, una go hear am. See, una teach una join employ. See, when on the talk say NSAS, they go say NSAS, NSAS. Now all the now the politician, now sponsor hoodlums. When that stupid boy go meet IGP for Abuja, say if NSAS protest not come up for street, they will attack them. When una talk, una applaud them and turn go fire una.
Yeah, you can imagine that boy
small
where his leg no stand for ground. You can imagine. I remember that video.
That video, the boy go IGP camp. He go meet his special police. He say if those NSAS protesters not come up for street, they will attack them.
No, he get away. He say if none Abuja.
Yes.
No comot for Abuja.
Yes.
I can imagine say this speaking they claim say na India Abuja. You can imagine that.
And the people now, the IGP they go support her. Before you know now, kata full everywhere. Now when they blame NSAS protest, any politician when he sponsor hoodlums today attack peaceful protest and atona go kill now. If una enter aeroplane go crash. Now una go die for inside.
Because wetin one Oga Morgan talk.
Wetin talk?
Say let Governor Obaseki establish industrial zone to all the 18 local governments in Edo State.
Great.
To enable us in diaspora create industries in
now,
our various.
Now wetin we don dey talk since you are in the spirit.
In our various local government areas with holiday tax free of 2 or 3 years from the government. Like seriously. Ew.
My brother Morgan, oh yeah, dey your head though. Let me anoint you.
You don't talk finish.
You don't talk finish. You know, as an apostle, you know, say me anoint Obaseki. I anoint you today in the name of God the Father,
Amen.
and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Oh yeah, dey your head. Wait you don't talk to endorse. Oh yeah, continue.
This to be honest, I feel say Governor Obaseki they watch this video.
They watch am. And if you know they watch am, people they
They go share and give am.
More share and give am make it.
And this is a laudable idea where we say if the governor fit establish industrial zone, for the 18 local governments. For the 18 local governments, people will feel coming, especially those in diaspora, will feel coming to come invest for that industrial, which is laudable.
And we need. I hear say governor say want build international airport. My governor beg, quick build international airport. See, all the north airports in the north, all the airports in the north, they are international airports. No domestic airports.
Yeah.
So I don't say we're gonna get local airport. We need international airports that Edo State immediately, so that our brothers in diaspora will just fly down
once
to Edo State. Who want cry?
Once.
May they go cry. I be at the come at the vest. I go wash my face at the come first because all the people ready for all of them.
All right, so I feel say one of the major issues when we fit take tackle insecurity now the creation of industries. Why? Because when the people are gainfully employed and engaged, insecurity go reduce. I support my Oga Morgan for this your idea. So I feel say one of the best thing when the government suppose do right now to begin to take assessment of industries when we thrive per local government. I think this should be the next thing that should be put into consideration. Industries when go fit thrive per local government. So okay, fine. Which kind of industry or industrial park you go fit open for Oredo, for example, or for Ekpobaoka, or for Orion, for example, when we say people will fit come there to come invest. People will fit come there to come invest. More don't forget, say we talked about Diaspora Village a few weeks ago. We are currently working on that project, Diaspora Village. As soon as we are done, we go unveil and give una, make una too, add una own mouth join before we will consider if this will be the final project plan for that Diaspora Village. Why? Because with the reason say why we no fit get that the same thing we get when they call Banana Island for Benin, where we say people will feel live comfortable for anywhere where they choose to reside, and that's why we come up with that Diaspora Village too, when go be a modernized Banana Island like what we get for Lagos. So Oga Morgan, I support that your idea, that vision. So I know Obasaki where we our governor. Our governor na person when be say he go school, number one. Number two, na person when get ear. He dey listen. Number three, na person when understand when they call innovation. Number four, na person when know say no be only one man, na him be government. Say government, na when they call PPP, public private partnership. That means say government dey open to everybody and anybody wey get better idea. So I feel say this an industrial park, and also when you say this your tax relief for 2 to 3 years, which is okay, at least it go help to stabilize the businesses so that they fit gain ground before government go fit come dey collect tax, which usually they supposed to dey do am for countries. Apostle, I'm on Facebook. I'm a friend on Facebook. Inbox me so we can share ideas. Okay,
no problem.
No problem. Noted, sir. I think that idea is carried. I will see what we push on. Yes, diaspora village.
Yeah, we're working on that already.
We're working on it.
But you know, we now make some people, some people now, before you know, they'll go at Jakan, Nigeria, they can live photocopy. But we are working on diaspora village.
So now just very simple strategy. If you see the project template, everybody go fall in love. In short, we now go pack, come up for Europe. You go now go pack, come up for any continent. And not forget, say the world get 7 continents. We now go pack, come up for any continent one of them. Now we'll come back to Edo State. Why? Because we dey try dream. Say that thing when they enjoy. For diaspora, una fit enjoy.
My
also.
brother, you read news, so Nigeria,
Okay.
As well rent 45 million naira sewage charges, raise IBRAN in 2001 budget.
Okay. It get one news headline when they fly now for social. No, not forget say social media, now the best media right now.
Social media now be our parliament.
Say Buhari's 66 million naira Aso Rock rent. I don't understand what that one mean.
Who did they pay rent to?
Because say 45 million naira sewage charges, raise eyebrows in the 20. This one are very vital thing. How many of us Nigerian citizens they go through our budget? They know say we know they read. They know. So they go even write down. They know say we know go
read. Does we not read?
You understand? They don't say we no go read down.
I like look at my brother. Don't give us answer.
Okay. Yes, he told us he has conquered Boko Haram.
That one said that village is an insult to him.
They don't come again. Yes, okay, Vincent, you are very carried. Okay. Yeah, this now why he gave me the course survey. You know, he gave me the course survey.
Okay, Vincent, your passes are come out. You come out. Okay, don't be that village.
No, insult. That's what he talk. In the try talk say the diaspora now English word.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah. Now, so that's why he said the diaspora village. It's like insult. So more no name. Why we not name it like a motor village? So that means to use a don name.
Yeah, we know use a motor because a motor don't forget gas in the state. We know use a motor.
Okay, so
we know use a motor.
So a motor don't forget housing. So we will use other
Benin name.
But no for diaspora get Benin word too. What do they call diaspora for Benin for Edo?
They never diaspora bro. In my
I beg. If I know when they call diaspora for Edo, I beg write and come out. I'll pronounce them. Because why? The reason why we say diaspora village.
Okay, Mokola, Umagba Edo village.
Okay, what do you mean of Umagba?
Uma. Yeah.
So we need to help us type for here too. So we define the meaning of you see.
Okay, it's a village.
So we use this. Okay. The reason why we they say diaspora, now because say the village.
Now for people they abroad.
People they abroad.
Now like people they Nigeria go enter.
No, the project template, the project template, it accommodates people when they Nigeria too. Okay. You go see them. You understand? But majorly, the message when we try pass now say people when they diaspora, they fit come this village.
Iviebo village.
You are carried. Iviebo. You understand? So people when they diaspora, they fit come this village, come build, and they go get assurance say they get security.
Okay, wait. See, since brother, see, since we get Banana Island, then we can call it Ibieba village or Ibieba village.
So please keep your suggestions coming so that we'll get all this aggregate and we'll collate and then we'll get our final conclusion. Very quickly, I want Philip go promises when una president, apostle president, President Bubu,
bros.
President Bubu,
not be my president too. I dey tell you
for 2015.
I dey warn you.
Number one, he say if he become the president for 2015, he go reduce network go back. He say he go reduce fuel pump price to 45 naira per litre in his first year
and increase
in administration.
That's it. That's why village is a good one. That's okay. It. Carry it.
So we dey say the essence why we dey say okay fine the diaspora village. Okay, ma give una small expo. Apostle ma open now.
Open.
Okay, the diaspora village we realize say diaspora villa. Oga, you are carrying.
Yes. That guy, anointed child. Yeah. Anointed child, you carry anointing. The anointing is working.
So we say since the word get Apple's village, you are carrying our grace. Now Apple, now Eve Chopo.
Now Eve Chopo, no grill. Now Apple, they take your basha.
But please keep your suggestion coming, please. So the vision of the diaspora village. Now say, number one, we ask ourselves two questions. Wow, let's talk. We asked ourselves two questions, and the questions were, okay, he said we should be woman. Okay, sorry, ma.
No verse,
sorry, ma.
Please forgive us.
All right, sorry, ma. No problem, ma.
Now commit this, no be me,
mommy,
please
sorry,
forgive him.
Thank you, ma. All right, Sayo. All right, okay. Thank you very much, sir. So as I talk, they go, and the world gets 7 continents. We get Africa, we get Europe. We get North America, we get South America, we get Asia, we get Antarctica, we get Australia. So since we understand, say the world get these 7 continents, out of the 7 continents, one of those, somebody say my village. I agree, say. So okay, since we don't agree apple, let's say my.
I'll call it Izoko village.
So since one of the continents, when they call Antarctica, nobody they live there because say that place full with highs. Now okay fine, we say okay fine. I go to make sense when we say the culture of this other continent, we domesticate this culture for inside those states. When we say inside the diaspora village, you get Africa quarter, you get European quarter, you get North American quarter, you get South American quarter, you get Australia quarter, you get Asia quarter.
No, if you do that one, brother, segregation will come.
No, be segregation, apostle.
That's no. You are not building unity. No. I disagree with you. Why you get Asia quarter, this quarter, now segregation?
No, the essence now to create those states, create the world map inside those states. You need to understand the picture here, apostle. We need to command our mind for negativity.
Let us not keep visiting.
Okay, the smart mind. What can we also do as people collectively to make? We are very right, sir.
We don't visit her again.
We are very right, sir.
We don't visit her again.
All right, so Villa is good one as well. Okay, we will also consider. So we dey try imagine say how do we ensure say for people when they live for Asia, for example, they get different experience. For people when they live for North America or South America also. So we are saying that can we have the map of the world inside those states? When we say we know say we are not preaching segregation. Everybody when they that locality, they don't say we are one Nigeria, they say we are one Edo people. But the picture is to get the diaspora picture inside those states. So we also need a comment too on that. So we are trying to see how we will finish the project template and then we will present them. And then one big issue when we foresee say we go face now the day because the project would have to be collaborated with the state government. Why? Because the state government will have to give us land to achieve this tax. But one big issue we say when the diaspora some people come they say may dey Edo South, some people go dey say may dey Edo North, some people go dey say may dey Edo Central. Una need to come decide which senatorial district e go dey. Why? Because we need to start to dey kill racism for our mind. Make some people no come dey say no, because me I be from Edo North, e must dey Edo North.
No, my brother, may I add my voice to this thing?
Okay.
If we dey talk of this village, make it dey different senatorial district. You go dey for south.
Yeah.
People for all the you go dey for south, you go dey for north, you go dey for east and side.
But to start with, we must start from somewhere.
And we must start from
So
Edo.
as we are
We'll start from south.
So as we are starting from
We'll start from
somewhere,
south.
we cannot just say now only people when be Bini, now he must
No,
enter.
everybody go enter. now.
So that's what I'm saying. That so they must start. Okay, you say New Edo, yes, because inside the map we get this word New Edo. Yes, inside the map, you are very right, Mr. Frank, sir. Inside the map, we get this word New Edo inside the map. Why? Because we don't ask ourselves the question, why do people migrate out of Edo State? Number one question. Number two, why are those who have migrated when they don't travel from Edo State, are they willing to come back?
Yes, so they are willing to
So
come
if they are
back
willing to come back, what is stopping them from coming back?
because of insecurity and the killing of our.
You understand? So can we now have a community where we say they will get assurance for security? Can we have a community when we say they will get assurance for anything when they want, education, light, everything go dey inside that community when we dey try call
Which,
the
in
diaspora
fact, you go
village?
get army barrack go dey inside,
E go dey inside.
police barrack go dey inside.
Inside.
In fact, before you, stranger no go people enter the
We
village.
go even go get im own personal independent security.
Before you even enter na phone call.
Of course.
If the person for that should not say enter,
No,
you
you
no
can't
go
enter. You can't enter.
We will allow.
You can't enter. So this na part of the vision of the diaspora village when we dey try share. When I not forget, say one of the major reasons why we try to chip in this diaspora village na because of the suggestion, the lovely suggestion when our own ambassador Morgan chip in when he talk about say make our government make they help us create industrial park per local government so that people wey ready to invest go fit come there to invest, and at the same time make the government also consider if they go fit give waiver, tax waiver of 2 to 3 years, so that those investors go fit get time to pack up themselves to
That's
gather
what they
small money wey they don spend as capital for the
Na
business.
so they be. My people, una do well. Now so we will talk and reach this evening. Talk am as e be. As I first talked before, make Buhari resign, Osinbajo resign, all the service chief resign, all the ministers resign, all the senators resign, because they have failed completely. They don't fail. We no fit just stay for country. We be say one day, we hear news of people they kill. Waiting. Enough is enough. Tell friend treating his boyfriend. What is not good is bad. So by the grace of God, I know say God will help us. We'll continue to the talk. We'll continue to the talk. We will continue to the talk. God bless all of una. Una do well. You know say what are the verse.
Us. This na why for us na very big encouragement. Una fit no understand, but we dey very very encouraged on a daily basis. Like wetin one of my oga talk, I think Oga Vincent, and that point of view dey very 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 vital. And we see how we fit take dey share our own idea to dey try to dey forget wetin the government dey do us, but e dey very very annoying when be say how we wan take say we want, e be like wetin one person write for Twitter yesterday. He say, what do you dreamt of? Now one person reply and say, they dey dream for country where person no fit sleep. You understand? This na another strong matter for us. Why? Because as we dey say more, we dey comot our mind or our eye for wetin the government dey do. Like seriously, on a daily basis, we dey see reasons why we must talk about the government. But we will still try our best to see how we fit dey keep our focus on how we fit dey strategize on innovative ideas to move our state forward and our country forward. Don't forget that Nigeria remains our nation. Wherever you are, your input is highly needed wherever you are across the world. Ensure that you keep flying our flag, green, white, green. We remain the best nation in the world. Take it or leave it. I like to end by saying that the coronavirus, when they disturb all of us for the world, we see how it fly for news. how our own brother, a Nigerian, how small boy, I take discover the real vaccine for the
We'll talk
COVID-19.
about that tomorrow.
You understand?
Manage to take
And
that.
also, we just hear again yesterday say President Biden, the president of America,
Say
he
break
don,
leg.
you know, no me say he break leg sef. He don already enlist a Nigerian when go be the secretary to a treasurer for USA. That is a big plus. This na to make us understand saying we are the best people all over the world, but our
sure.
major problem has been bad governance, and we will
Bad
continue
government.
to fight bad governance to the
Do
later.
well.
Thank you so
My
very
people,
much.
I need to go rest. I tire. No, good night. Bye-bye.
All right, take care.
May I no go talk with you, God, open for my mouth. I don't fit for trouble. Oh.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own for there. And before you go, I beg, make you help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for day current with all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.